Hello, my name is Manan Sharma, registration number UR15CA050. So now I'm going to do my experiment of networking lab IPv6, that is short for Internet Protocol version 6. So till now we were using IPv4, that is Internet Protocol version 4. So now we've upgraded to IPv6. So in IPv6 the network address is of 128 bits. 128 bits is made up by 8 octets. So in 8 octets we have four different decimal numbers, and those decimal numbers are represented by binary digits, that is 0 or 1. And uh, and as it has four four decimal number, so it is a 16-bit address. So the the four decimal numbers, the address of the length of the four decimal numbers will be 4 into 4 16. And as we have 8 octets, so 16 into 8 would be around 128. So that is how the size of the IPv6 network address is made up. So here we have a scenario which shows the IPv6 connection. So as we can see here, we have the three LAN and two WAN networks. So how do we uh, shorten the size of the address? So we remove all the zeros, as in a octet. If a octet is starting with a 0, we remove all the zeros and we represent it with a colon. So we have 4 octets which have 0, so we remove all the zeros and then we represent it with a colon. And if we have 1, so we put 3 more zeros, then it becomes an octet. And we do it uh, in a similar fashion for all the other two lands provided here. And we do the same procedure, the same order is followed for the two vans. So how it works is, we'll now see it in the simulation mode. We'll just take a message, we'll connect it with PC4, and then we'll send it to PC2. So here, as we can see, is it is in progress, and then it is successful. So we do it in a same manner for all the PCs that we have connected here. So if we send a message from PC0 to PC2, it gets sent, and then we have our successful message. And for the configuration, if we see, we go to the PC0 or any PC, we go for the config, we go for the desktop. Then from there we go to IP config. Then we see the address of the IPv6 address, that is, it is given for the LAN 1, 2001 colon db8 colon 1 colon 1 and double colon 3. So here we have 4 octets, and the subnet mask is also given, that is 64, and the local address and the gateway address is also given. So this is done using static routing or dynamic routing. So here I have done it using if we see the IPv6 routing table, we can get to know what all we have routings we have used, that is either dynamic or static. So I have used here RIP and static routing for the IPv6 connection. So this is all about the IPv6 connection. Thank you.